This is a typical Australian shed. Have a look at this wall of products behind me. There's more cans here than you'd find in a pet food section of the supermarket. This guy must be ready for almost anything. And yet here is one product that can do the job of many of these and will become the most useful product in any handyman's arsenal. BRUNOX Turbo-Spray is a moisture repelling fluid that penetrates, cleans, removes rust, prevents corrosion and lubricates. So let's see what BRUNOX Turbo-Spray does and why you must have it in your toolkit. BRUNOX Turbo-Spray has amazing penetrating and water repelling properties. And what we're going to do here is a little demonstration. We're going to pour this cordial here onto these acrylic sheets. And the reason we're using cordial, it's easier to see than clear liquid. Let's just sandwich it in between the glass plates. Now, we'll spray with BRUNOX Turbo-Spray along the seam. You can see BRUNOX is working its way into the seam and pushing the liquid aside. After it pushes the moisture out, a protective layer remains, keeping out any new damp or dirt. This guarantees corrosion protection for up to 6 months. These characteristics make BRUNOX an ideal contact spray for eliminating moisture from electrical circuits and cleaning up switch contacts. Turbo spray can also be used as a lubricant. Because of its penetrating characteristics, it can be used to loosen rusted bolts, penetrating into the threads, both breaking the rusted bonds and providing lubrication. Turbo spray can be used all around the house to unjam locks and lubricate sliding doors. Because it remains on the surface for up to 6 months, it maintains lubrication and stops dirt from accumulating. Turbo spray also cleans and protects all types of surfaces, leaving behind a protective layer that even minimises finger marks. It lubricates. It's a rust removing penetrating oil, it's a cleaning fluid, it's a rust protective solution, and it's electrical contact spray, all in one.
Get yourself a can of BRUNOX today.